Right now, everyone is talking about AI video, but most tools lock everything behind expensive paywalls. Thankfully, there are still a few platforms that let you test high-end video generation engines completely for free. But let's be 100% honest before we start. None of these tools are completely unlimited. To get your free generation tokens, you will need to do a quick 30-second Gmail or email login, and you will have to deal with daily limits or watermarks on the free versions. I want to tell you the catch upfront so no one wastes your time. Today, we are putting 3 of the best accessible platforms to the test using the exact same master prompt to see how they handle textures, lighting, and human details. Let's see how they perform. First up, Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is currently one of the best free options if you want sheer rendering speed. It gives you a pool of free generation tokens that reset daily. Let's see how it reads our Craftman. As you can see, the interface of this tool first requires us to log in through a Gmail account. We are logged in now. Right now, I pasted my prompt and clicked generate. It will take a little time to generate, but as you can see, the result looked truly amazing and fantastic. You can see a lot of different trending video styles people are making with this tool. This tool has multiple options. In the tools section, you can find a lot of different features, and here comes something new and very amazing. Click on audio. It will take you to MiniMax. Here, you can generate AI voices and you will get 10,000 credits. Here you have multiple options as you can see, like text to speech and music creation. I'm clicking on a tell a story so it can create a script for me. Now I click generate. It creates an amazing voiceover and can simply download it right here. Now, checking more options, there is voice design, voice clone, and a voice isolator. You can create ASMR videos and different styles of voice here. Second tool is PixVerse AI V6. Next up is PixVerse AI and their V6 engine. PixVerse gives you a daily refreshing credit allowance just for logging in. What makes it a great tool is that it gives you actual camera controls, so you can manually direct the camera to pan or zoom. So we logged in through a Gmail account. Here I paste the same prompt, select the aspect ratio and clicked on generate. The generation will take a little time. So, as you can see, the result is truly amazing. For creating unlimited videos, share the tool with your friends, and this is how you will earn more credits. You see, there are a lot of different options and different AI generation models in one tool. You can see how people create their content with this tool. Tool number 3, Runway AI. Finally, we have Runway AI. Runway is an industry leader in AI space. When you sign up for a free account, they give you one-time allotment of 125 free credits, so you can test out their video generation platform without typing in a credit card. Let's see what Runway creates. Here, we are going to select the video tool, paste our prompt, select on AI video generation model, and click generate. The video creation will take a little time. Now you can see the result, the depth of this stunning AI tool, and how accurately it creates a video. To sum it all up, you have a solid, highly usable free toolkit to experiment with right now without spending a dime. Use Hailuo AI when you want faster renders and highly accurate prompts layouts. Use PixVerse V6 if you want to manually direct the camera movements. and try Runway AI to get that premium, moody Hollywood lighting style. Which of these three versions did you think capture the craftsman best? Drop your vote in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech breakdowns. And I'll see you in the next video.